Maayong adlaw sa tanan akong followers. Guys, mao ni ang ako ang natuklasan karong adlaw, ang Pidol's Big Shop Yanuno. Ang Pidol's Big Shop, guys, this is a nationwide business. Of course, this is Big Shop. Nag-start ni siya, guys, or nag-umpisa siya sa Parañaque City about 1 year ago. Karon ang ilahang operasyon sa ilahang business nationwide na, guys. They have branch in Cagayan de Oro City, Zamboanga City, in hopefully July 12 next week, magbubukas na rin sila dito sa Davao City. Particularly, malapit lang siya sa John Paul College. Meron silang special ensaymada, guys. Meron silang cookies. May banwek sila. Meron silang assorted breads. This one, guys. May coffee din sila, ham and egg sandwich. May mamon. And a lot more. Guys, sa tanan akong followers, please come and visit Pidol's Big Shop here in Davao City. Dito lang sa Ekulan, guys. Talagang mag-enjoy kayo sa produkto nila or masasarapan kayo, guys. Talagang ma-in-love kayo. God bless everyone.